Greetings, travel enthusiasts. Welcome to your ultimate guide on the TravelZm channel. Today, we're diving into a topic close to many of our hearts: solo female travel. We'll be sharing essential packing tips and must-haves to ensure your travels are as smooth, safe, and enjoyable as possible. From personal safety items to practical clothing, we've got you covered. So, buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey to make your solo travels a breeze. Smart packing is a skill every solo female traveler should master. Imagine this: you're exploring a bustling foreign city, soaking in the sights and sounds, when suddenly you're weighed down by a cumbersome, overflowing backpack. Not an ideal scenario, right? Smart packing can help you avoid such situations, making your travels more convenient and efficient. Consider this: smart packing isn't just about saving space, it's about strategic organization. Knowing exactly where your essentials are can save you precious time and stress. It's like having a well-organized toolbox, but for your journey. And let's not forget, as a solo female traveler, you're in charge. You're the one who has to carry your baggage, literally and figuratively. So, it's in your best interest to pack light and pack right. This not only lightens your load, but also allows you to focus on what matters most: the adventure that awaits. Remember, when it comes to packing, less is often more. Safety should always be your top priority when traveling alone. There's a certain sense of liberation in solo travel, but it's important we stay vigilant and well-equipped. One way to do that is by carrying personal safety items. First on the list is a personal alarm. This tiny device emits a loud noise that can deter potential threats and attract attention. It can be easily attached to your bag or clothing, making it accessible at all times. Next, we have the door stop alarm. This clever gadget can be wedged under your door, and if someone attempts to open it, a loud alarm will sound. It's an ideal tool for added security in your hotel room or hostel. Finally, a safety whistle. It may seem old school, but it's a reliable way to attract attention in an emergency. It's light, compact, and doesn't require batteries. Carrying these items will give you an extra layer of security during your travels. Travel insurance, a non-negotiable for every solo female traveler. Now, why is this so crucial? Picture this: you've planned every detail of your trip, from flights to accommodations, only to be blindsided by an unexpected cancellation. With travel insurance, you're covered. It's your safety net, ensuring you won't be left in a lurch. Or imagine you've got your suitcase packed with all your essentials, but somewhere between point A and B, it goes missing. Again, travel insurance steps in, compensating you for your lost belongings. But most importantly, let's consider the unforeseen medical emergencies. You're in a foreign land, far from your regular healthcare providers. It's in these moments you'll appreciate having travel insurance the most. It covers your medical expenses, providing a lifeline in potentially daunting situations. So there you have it. Travel insurance is not just a piece of paper, but a shield against unexpected events. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. When it comes to clothing and footwear, practicality is key. As we journey through the world, we need to be dressed not just for style, but also for comfort and versatility. Imagine walking for hours exploring a new city. The last thing you want is a pair of shoes that pinch your feet, or a shirt that's too tight. Selecting practical clothing and footwear is an art. Shoes should be comfortable and suitable for all kinds of terrain. Your clothes, on the other hand, should be versatile enough to mix and match for different occasions. Think about layering pieces that can be dressed up or down, depending on the situation. Opt for fabrics that are easy to clean, dry quickly, and are wrinkle-resistant. Remember, space in your luggage is valuable real estate. The fewer items you need to pack, the more room you'll have for souvenirs and other travel essentials. Packing practical clothing and footwear will not only save you space, but also ensure your comfort during your travels. Health and hygiene essentials should never be overlooked. True words indeed, especially when you're hitting the road solo. You see, the last thing you want is to be caught off guard by a sudden illness or discomfort. So, what should you pack? Well, personal hygiene items top the list. Think about toothbrushes, toothpaste, soap, and the like. You know, the basics that keep you fresh and clean. Then there's the medication. Do you have any ongoing prescriptions? Make sure to bring enough to last your trip. And don't forget the general over-the-counter remedies for common ailments like headaches, colds, or upset stomachs. Lastly, a basic first aid kit can be a game changer. It doesn't have to be extensive, just enough to handle minor cuts, scrapes, or burns. Keeping these essentials handy will help you stay healthy and comfortable during your journey. Because your well-being is, after all, the key to a successful and enjoyable adventure. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We've journeyed through the essentials of solo female travel, underlining the importance of smart packing and highlighting key items that every solo female traveler should consider carrying. We kicked things off with the importance of smart packing. We underscored that efficient packing not only saves space but also time and energy. It's not just about fitting everything into your suitcase, but organizing your belongings in a way that makes your journey smoother and more enjoyable. We then explored personal safety items, emphasizing that personal security should never be compromised. We talked about the value of carrying items like personal alarms, door stoppers, and safety whistles. Remember, these tools are not just for self-defense, but they can also help you feel secure and confident during your travels. The discussion then pivoted to travel insurance, a non-negotiable element of any travel plan. We stressed that travel insurance is not an area where you should be looking to cut costs. It provides a safety net for unexpected situations, from medical emergencies to trip cancellations, ensuring you're covered should anything go awry. We also delved into the realm of practical clothing and footwear. We emphasized the need for comfort and functionality over fashion, recommending items like breathable fabrics, layers for varying climates, and sturdy, comfortable shoes. Remember, your clothing choices can significantly impact your travel experiences. Finally, we touched on health and hygiene essentials. We highlighted the importance of carrying a well-stocked travel health kit, including items like medications, band-aids, and hand sanitizers. We also discussed the necessity of maintaining personal hygiene, particularly when traveling to regions where sanitation levels may not be up to par. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, preparation is key to a successful and enjoyable solo travel experience. Safe travels!